Welcome to Drops on Airlines. So today we're talking about this airdrop called the Network Airdrop. So in the course of this video, I'll be showing you guys step-by-step guide on how to do this particular airdrop. So I'll be moving from one link to another in this video, but all these links I'm going to drop it down there in the description. So you just go over there, you click on it, and then you follow along. Okay. Now the first link, if you click on the first link, you're going to get to this page. So once you come over here, you have to install this Unisat wallet extension. Okay, if you install it, next you have to create a new account. Okay, now this account you're going to use to participate in this particular airdrop. As you can see here, I've already done mine. Okay, so this is my account for this my new Unisat wallet for this particular airdrop. So you do where to create your own as well too. So that's the first thing you have to do in this particular link. Now move over to the next link. Once you come over here, you have to sign up with that same Unisat wallet that you just created. Okay, now after that you come over to here and then click on this mission. So if you click on it, now all these things are the tasks that you have to finish up in the course of this airdrop. As you can see here, we have this onboarding mission, we have the weekly mission, we have the daily mission, we have the community mission. So you have to finish up all these tasks. Okay, so now but there is the important one that I would like us to do now, which is come over down to this place. You click on this. So once you click on this place, add Testnet. So you click on this place, you have to sign in your wallet to this particular ecosystem. So once you do that, then you are good to go. Now the next thing you have to do is to come over to the next link. Here you have to claim the Faucet token for this particular airdrop. Okay, now you head over to your Unisat wallet, you copy the wallet address. Okay, I copy my own now, and then I come over here, I paste it here, and then I will confirm that I am a human. Now what happened here was that I did my first try, I was receiving some error message, but after I tried and then I have to go back to my wallet and I saw that they have already sent the token to me. So if you receive this error message, just go back and check your wallet, maybe they have sent the token to you. Okay, so now that's what you're going to do in this link. Now moving over to the next link. So if you come over to this next link here, you have to connect here using that same Unisat wallet that we just created. Now after you have done with the signing in, next thing you're going to do is that okay, let me complete. So as you can see here, I have that the Testnet token. As you can see this here, I already have it here. Now the first thing you're going to mint. Okay, so you mint this first one, you click on this mint, and then you sign. So as you can see, I'm done with the minting. So next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to move over to swap. I click on swap, and then I choose Bitcoin, and then select the second one, and then I choose the amount I want to swap, and then I swap, sign. Okay, so next move over to pool, click on pool, create new pool, and then select the pool you want and select the amount you want to supply. So and then click on this, sign. Okay, so once you're done with the signing, so they have to come over here and then ensure that you complete all these quests. Okay, now as you do this thing, you see that you will be adding more points to accumulating more points and then advance to the next level. Okay, so now that's all for this particular airdrop. Okay, if you have any question, you ask there down in the comment section. I'll do it to answer. But if there's any updates, I'll make sure that you guys have it. So now thank you and